Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to generate Toekick molding in Kitchen. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter Generate Toekick Molding page. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Advanced Tool, Kitchen and Bath. Then select the Generate Toekick Molding from the top toolbar. Step 2. Select Cabinets as need. After entering the Generate Toekick Molding page, the tool will automatically identify the cabinets that need to generate Toekick moldings. You can also press and hold Shift to select multiple cabinets for generation. If you need to identify all cabinets, you can click Auto Select. Step 3. Set Toekick molding parameters. Select Add Toekick molding style and material in the right basic panel. And you can check different parameter options at the same time as required. After checking, different types of Toekick moldings can be generated. The details are as follows. Generate wrap. Add wraps for the cabinets with Toekick moldings. Generate only the front side of the cabinet. After checking, it will only be generated on the front of the cabinet. After adjusting the specific parameters, click Generate. Step 4. Adjust Toekick molding generation range. If you need to freely adjust the range of the Toekick molding generation, click Manual Edit in the top bar to enter the manual mode. Switch to 2D mode. Use the drawing tools on the top bar to edit edge and add rectangle. You can manually edit points and lines or enter values for precise adjustments. After the adjustments are completed, click Generate, then click Finish to exit the Generate Toekick molding interface. The Generate Toekick molding effect is as follows. That's all, thanks for watching.